just following it with a couple of tips on how to edit your Webfolio. So if you're going to add content, add a text box. Here is my SWOT. So say I've done an analysis or some objectives in Word. So I will have uploaded it to PebblePad already, as I showed you on a previous link. And then here, if we highlight the text where we want to put in a hyperlink, and then we go up here and click link, and it'll give you an option of linking to an asset, a resource, a website, an email. So because we've already uploaded it to PebblePad, you can upload it as an asset. Okay, so you can link that, select asset, and then here is my test document that I'm going to embed, and now it's all embedded there. So if I go into preview mode, you see that's gone blue when it's highlighted. So then when I click it, it'll let me either open it or download it. So I'm just going to open it now. And then it's got the file linked in there. So there are your two ways of doing it. So you can actually add in a file that you've uploaded and made an asset, or you could copy and paste the text if it suits better into a text box.